Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel RG Coding Tips. If you guys caught my last video, I shared my experience at Cybrella 2024 at NIELIT Imphal. I had the incredible opportunity to be the head developer for this convention, building and managing the official website, and gosh, day 1 was packed with exciting events. But guess what? Day 2 was even better. So let's jump into all the action that happened on the second day of this epic convention. So day 2 was filled with creativity and competition. We kicked off with a drone competition. The participants were absolutely amazing, and seeing those drones zip through the air with precision was a total thrill. We also had an open painting competition for all categories, kids, teens, and adults. There were some incredibly talented artists, and the creativity on display was inspiring. So, as you guys can see, these are the paintings that the participants had created. We have put them on the website so that people can explore their talents and their creativity, and you guys can also support them. Moving on to the next event, and of course, for all the gamers out there, we had a Mobile Legends gaming event. The atmosphere was electric as teams battled it out in this popular MOBA 5v5 game. Whether you were playing or just watching, the energy was off the charts. There were teams like Team DS, Team Aphrodite, which could snatch the champions of this MOBA 5v5 game league.
Have a really short cooldown this time.
We also had some amazing sponsors for the event. A big shout out to Parade Foods and Biotech Biology for supporting the convention. And a special thanks to our streaming partner, Kiwi Gaming. Make sure to check out their channel and their Facebook page for more awesome gaming content. After 2 days of intense competition, it was finally the time to distribute the prizes for the winners. The smiles and excitement of the participants as they received their prizes was a highlight of the convention for me. Everyone gave their best, and it was so rewarding to see their hard work pay off. You can also check out the champions and the winners for these events in the website. I will give down the link in the description. You can also just search for Cybrella in Google and it will be available. After a long journey of 2 days, we could finally end our convention. So overall, Cybrella 2024 was a massive success and I couldn't be more excited to have been a part of it. Working as the head developer, managing the website and being a part of such a tech-driven event was truly an honor. And also don't forget to follow Cybrella 2024 in Instagram and Facebook and YouTube. We also post informations and new updates, and stay tuned for more tech events and behind the scenes and stories. So for today, let me end it here. If you guys have enjoyed this recap of day 2, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more content like this. Thank you so much guys for watching today's video and I will see you next time.